sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its rich and very taste. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders. I shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, and place my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.